Hi, I'm Beth Lefevre, Training and Implementation Specialist for PRC. In this video, you will learn about using the books that have been adapted specifically for the PRC AAC Literacy Planner. Chapter summaries have been written for each of the 12 books, and they can be found on the Tar Heel Reader website. Tar Heel Reader is a free website run by the Center for Literacy and Disability Studies. It houses a variety of digital books that can be read aloud using text-to-speech features and accessed on computers, iPads, and tablets. We're going to look at one of the shared reading plans. Then we'll see how to open the Tar Heel Reader book collection from the reading plan and how to read the book from the website. Let's take a closer look at one of the shared reading plans for a book you will find in this year's planner. This is the plan for the book Because of Winn-Dixie. On each shared reading plan, you will find a QR code that takes you directly to the collection of books for the story on Tar Heel Reader. One way to get to the book collection is to point the camera of your smartphone or tablet or iPad at the QR code, and it will open up the Tar Heel collection on that device. Or, if you're using the downloaded PDF version of the planner, click on the link in the text to go directly to the book collection on Tar Heel Reader. This is what the book will look like if you opened it on a computer, iPad, or tablet. This link takes you directly to the book collection. In this book collection, there are 2 books that you can read for background knowledge to help students learn about dogs. If the book has been rated by readers, you will see a 1 to 3 star rating. The number in the bottom right corner tells you how many pages are in each chapter set. The chapters for each book have been summarized and grouped to make it easier for students to read. In the upper right corner of the screen, you can see a settings gear. Select Speech to turn on the speech output features. The voices you hear will be dependent on the built-in speech available on your device. Refer to the instructions on the Tar Heel Reader website for additional information on customizations that you can make. Let's see what this looks like when we open up a book. I can select the chapters that I want to read. I'm using the built-in speech of my device.
About Because of Winn-Dixie by Kate Camillo.
Then, using the next and back arrow keys at the bottom of the screen, my reader can move through the story.
This story is about a girl named Opal and a dog named Winn-Dixie.
Remember to use the smart charts for each book to help you know phrases to model when talking about the characters and the
India
story.
Opal lived with her dad in Florida.
The shared reading lesson plan for each book offers examples of comments and questions you can use to discuss the story. Don't make this about answering comprehension questions. Use these ideas to help with discussion points as you and your reader make connections to the story and have fun thinking and talking about what happened. We hope you enjoy reading these stories and using the resources with your AAC communicator. Remember to use the smart charts and the reading plan for each book for ideas on what to model on the speech generating device. If you have a printed copy of the planner, you will need to download the supplemental resource pack from our website. If you downloaded the PDF version of the planner, you will have all the resources that you need. Still need a copy of the planner? Contact your PRC consultant for a printed copy. Or download your PDF version of the planner from our website. This is the same place where you will download the supplemental resource pack that I mentioned. And have fun reading with your AAC communicator.